Controlling a company's accounts is not a very easy task, especially when the purchase flow is large. You as an entrepreneur should know this very well. Controlling accounts is essential to the company with the Overdue Accounts Worksheet. It is therefore necessary to have the data of your payments organized through a spreadsheet, and as it is brought in this video. For this to happen in a simple and error-free way, you need a control tool. The Overdue Debit Spreadsheet helps directly with this, helping to organize all the payments to be made in a single environment, making everything more practical and efficient. The Overdue Bills Excel spreadsheet will help you get a notion of the situation of your bills, as well as the calculation of the fine in case you miss the due date. It will be a platform that will have your boletos in an organized, clear, and effective way, thus avoiding being overloaded with so many expenses and allowing you to have good management. In addition, having a preparation helps to avoid future complications, so being aware of all the expenses that will come is fundamental to have a business that has a good income. This was our Overdue Debit Spreadsheet. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.